Welcome to Saul Junction Marina, part of the Lakeland Leisure family. The boat I want to tell you about today is this one. This is Repent at Leisure, which I think is a fantastic name. It's a traditional stern, 63-foot narrowboat, perfect for liveaboard or extended cruising, thanks to some nifty features which I'm going to tell you about in just a moment. Sitting here at the traditional stern, you've got two comfy seats for yourself and a companion, and you've got an unimpeded view ahead. Repent at Leisure really is a very special boat with beautiful brass traditional fittings here and there and a fantastic swan hatch, so you get a lovely view to bring the outside in. A lovely centre cleat here. We've got solar panels all over the top, so you've got plenty of power, so she's a really nice mix of traditional and modern.
She is a full-length boat with a classic trad stern layout designed for liveaboard or extended cruising. On deck she's fitted with a cratch cover at the bow and benefits from a hydraulic bow thruster with a new tube fitted in May 2025. The hull is steel with a thickness of 1064 and was last blacked with bitumen in May 2025.
Now that we've had a look at the outside of Repent at Leisure, let's go down below and see what she's like indoors.
Entering from the stern, you come straight into the engine room.
Coming in through the companionway doors then, we've got the engine start panel over here with the rev counter, oil pressure and everything that you'd expect there, and your key to start and stop the engine. You've got switches here for your lights. There's a stereo system here, and then over on this side we've got our throttle Morse control for the gears, as you'd expect. There's also a bow thruster on this boat, which is in very easy access of the tiller, just what you want. Over here we've got our MPPT controller. This is basically what takes the power from those solar panels and balances it correctly so that it charges the batteries.
This space also packs a punch. She comes with an inbuilt generator, a small sink and additional freezer storage. She's powered with a Greenline Beta 50 engine paired with a PRM 150 gearbox with approximately 2,600 engine hours. The engine was last serviced in 2023.
Now this is the master bedroom, and it's got a real trick up its sleeve. The bed, I've never seen this done before. I've seen lots and lots of boats and I've never seen this. The foot end of the bed is electrically operated by that switch, and the foot end lifts up to turn it into a double. So you've got your convenient walkway during the day, and you can then put that down, and then you can lift it up again at night when you want to go to bed. That is a really nifty solution to a problem that I've seen on lots and lots of boats, where you either have a fixed bed or you have one that you have to take apart, which is a little bit of a pain, but this solves that problem.
There are wardrobes and underbed storage, providing a practical main sleeping cabin.
Moving forwards, we come into the bathroom and shower area.
The bathroom includes a large corner shower, a marble basin, full-length mirror, built-in storage and a heated towel rail. The boat is fitted with both a pump-out toilet and a Thetford cassette toilet.
So moving forward from the bathroom and shower area, you've got this really nice multi-purpose room. It's a guest bedroom, it's an extra lounge if you want it to be, but I really like the idea of this as an office. You've got the swan hatch over here, so you can open the swan hatch and sit at the seat, have this little table to work at with your laptop and be working off-grid, you know, just looking out at the countryside. Surely that's everybody's dream. this for a galley. This is clearly a boat that's been very well loved and very well maintained and specced by the owners. Beautiful wooden countertops, fabulous porcelain sink, but the modern accessories as well, like the induction hob, make this boat a true liveaboard.
The galley is fitted with a built-in fridge and washing machine, a hob with an extractor fan, under-counter oven, wall units and ample storage. There's also a side hatch located on the port side in the galley. At the bow end is the saloon.
It's the little details that I love about this boat, the beautiful pyrography, the fit and finish of the oak panelling and framing, and even the details in the inlays in the floor really make this a standout vessel.
This space includes a 3-seat sofa, 2 flip-up tables, radiators and electric heaters. Repentant Leisure is equipped with diesel central heating. Hot water is supplied via immersion or from the central heating, and a 7 kilowatt inverter. She has solar panels, shoreline power, a galvanic isolator and 8 batteries, 1 starter and 1 generator battery and 6 domestic batteries, new in March 2025. Water capacity is approximately 135 gallons with a fuel capacity of 60 gallons.
Up here in the bow we have a traditional cratch cover, and I can't think of anything better than coming out here in the morning and eating my breakfast looking out at that view.
She has a boat safety certificate valid until August 2028 and an internal cabin height of 6'4". Repentant Leisure is a well-specified 63-foot traditional narrowboat offering multiple living spaces, a full-length layout and systems to suit long-term cruising or residential use.
So there we have it, Repent at Leisure, 63 feet of classic beauty for the canals. Of course, all the details are available from the Lakeland Leisure sales team.